Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Passion for Cooking, Traveling, Positive Talks and many more. First of all, a very happy new year to everybody. I hope you had a great year start. And today I was just making some ginger paste at home and I thought, why don't I talk about few things about ginger. And also this was one of our subscribers did ask me to speak about ginger a bit, so I thought let me give you a little more benefits what I am aware of. And I prefer to use ginger and garlic a lot in all of my dishes. I would also prefer to drink ginger water early morning. It absolutely is a great natural antioxidant as well. So basically, let me tell you a couple of benefits out of ginger. And first of all, it does have a lot of medicine properties. A lot of medicine properties. It, basically helps for the digestion, for most important, and it reduces a kind of nausea sometimes and helps you to fight the flu and common cold just with few drops of ginger juice. You can just mix it with honey and you can try that. For me it works out, for my family it works out. Maybe it depends from person to person, but naturally it has got a lot of natural medicinal properties. But yes, if things does not get reduced or your health is not in control with the basic home remedies, of course you need to meet some medical, you need to take some medical aid which can help you better. And I also can say about one natural oils which has the fragrance and the flavor of ginger, and it's actually called gingerol. So that's the main bioactive compound in ginger basically, and that is the main medicinal properties which helps in various basically home remedies on. So let's go with certain things which I personally know and I use it for. It helps for weight loss, and I know personally a couple of my friends as well who actually soak the ginger overnight and they drink the ginger juice and they also chew the ginger on an empty stomach early morning. And that's really works for them. And I prefer to drink only the juice. I don't know, I'm not able to eat the ginger raw, but yes, I love to drink the juice, whether it is soaked overnight or it's with boiled water. It's perfectly fine. So ginger is prominently a great medicinal property, and I have also studied a couple of articles wherein it helps to normalize the risk of colorectal cancer. Basically, if you take 2 grams of ginger extract every day, significantly it ends up reducing pro-inflammatory molecules in the colon. So that's what I actually read recently too, and this is an amazing and main ingredient which is at home, which we can actually use it on a daily basis, be it whether it is in our cooking dishes or could be directly we are able to take this via juice, or we are able to chew it, or we are able to boil it. But let me tell you how I use ginger for myself or for my family. So first of all, I would keep the stock of ginger and garlic paste. These are all homemade. I make homemade garlic and ginger paste separately, and I store it at least for a week or two. And again, I redo it. So honestly speaking, I use ginger and garlic every day in my dishes. If I am not using that in my dish, at least I make a point to boil ginger in the water, or my family members use ginger directly into the tea while they make the morning or the evening tea, and they drink the tea as a ginger tea, which is absolutely good for health. And of course, whatever dishes I make apart from couple of South Indian dals, excluding those, on almost all of my dishes and the breakfast will definitely have ginger in it. And I have made it a practice that at least an inch of ginger gets into our body on a daily basis, which is much needed. So I would request and I would suggest all of y'all to add this medicinal based ingredient, which is easily available in the market, and this is one of the bestest ingredient which is actually available in our kitchens. So please do use it as much as possible, and let me repeat certain basic things which can help by the intake of this ginger. One is, of course, your digestive system works naturally in a better way. You need not take any kind of supplements for your stomach to do its work. So it's the bestest ingredient. Second, as I said, one of my friend actually uses ginger. She soaks the ginger overnight, and when she drinks the ginger water, as well as she chews the ginger early morning, empty stomach, and she is able to maintain a cholesterol level and her weight absolutely greatly. She does, handle and maintain herself. One, and of course, it prevents the colon cancer. And apart from that, it is super good for any kind of chronic diseases as well. So, of course, this is the season of winter. Not only in winter, anytime, you can be so sensitive that you get throat issues, you get cold issues, be it whether it's summer or winter. So this medicinal value can help you in the immunity as well, to an extent, to handle these basic sore throats and have a better throat as well during the seasons whenever you are prone to cold or heat, as per the seasons. So I would suggest and request all of you to use ginger in your daily cooking, or please do intake in the way you would love to intake it. But make a point to intake ginger in your daily life, or of course in your food, as much as possible. Well, thanks for listening. I would come up with more videos shortly, and please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment, and also please share it with your friends so that it motivates me to add more videos as well and to continue my passion. See you all. Bye bye.